guys, I'm dating coach Annabella Rose and this is dating coach Emre from KarmaLifestyles.com, and today we're going to be talking about alpha males' facial expressions. Before we start, please click that cheeky subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. Every guy wants to get the hottest woman in the room. Now, a woman who everyone will admire and ultimately desire. It's an intense feeling that drives guys to bring their A game, but unfortunately, most still fail to capture the attraction or even the attention of most beautiful women. However, as most men fail to be seen by women they like, there are a unique species of men who seem to get away with any woman they want. The alpha male. Now, what secret do alpha males use that others don't?
Well, Annabella, let me tell you, facial expression. It is one of the skills that alpha males use to secure the attention and attraction of the women that they want. Guys, now we are going to learn about alpha male facial expression and how it helps them get the hottest women on the planet.
The sexy, intense eye contact. You know the look that we give you that says, can we just pay the bill and go to your place? Yes, that look is the one that communicates more than words can say without even moving your lips an inch. Alpha males use facial expressions to send a message to the woman they want before even approaching them. These facial expressions help them build trust and confidence before they come over to us. The sexy, intense eye contact tells any woman that you're interested in her and that you're honest with your intentions.
The sexy, intense eye contact is meant to focus your eyes on hers with relaxed face and a slight smile. It creates the tense of desire, but it still brings out that sense you're safe and honest. This expression is also known to ignite sexual tension. When you want to break all the barriers of women, create sexual tension.
Smile. You always wonder why Emre smiles a lot. Now, he is a natural happy bloke, but there's actually a reason for it. Have you heard about the power of a smile? Well, if you just thought that a smile was another way to express that you're pleased with something, think again. The alpha male knows how to smile and how a smile can change the worst situation into a good one. We often always feel vulnerable when the guy next to us, especially, is not well acquainted. A smile creates a warm and friendly atmosphere that a woman you like needs to feel safe.
Guys, smile doesn't only make you look more handsome, but can get you that girl that you like. Alpha males give a smile during a conversation with the women they like to indicate that they are interested, bored in them and what they are saying. It also eliminates the weird silent moments that come up during conversation. Confidence and dominating. I'm sexy and I know it. I know you want me, even if you try to portray otherwise. This is the message that the confidence and dominating facial expression gives. Alpha males know when women are not attracted by people who aren't sure of their value. This look tells the women that I know my worth and I believe that your value matches perfectly with my one.
Well said, Emre. We love men who are confident and show a certain degree of domination. The facial expression is characterized by a light smile, which can be accompanied by playing with your lips slightly. It also involves a slight movement of the eyebrows to give you that confident, edgy look and strong eye contact. The confidence and dominating facial expressions show who is in charge and might invoke a strong sexual tension.
Cute and sexy expression. You know the look that kids have that make them always look adorable, or the look that models give that make them irresistible? Well, the cute and sexy facial expression is the secret recipe that makes alpha males outstanding. Alpha males learn from everything they can get their hands on. Guys, in this case, turn the kid's cute adorable look into a cute and sexy confident look. This facial expression incites curiosity to women, and that's why alpha males who use this expression have women approaching them left and right.
The facial expression characterized by a tucked chin and eye contact from the corner of the eye sockets. Now, a light playful smile to create that warm and friendly look. Lower your eyebrows to attract her attention. And that slight lip movement, alternating with a smile to keep her attention glued on you. The secret to making these alpha male facial expressions work for you is to do them as naturally as possible. When you appear like you're forcing the look, you can easily pass by looking creepy and someone who might be in major discomfort. To some, the looks come naturally. But if you have to practice, do it in front of a mirror, then my friends, you are giving the green light. You are good to roll with those alpha male facial expressions.
Gents, that's all from us today. You can buy my ebook Become an Alpha Male by clicking the link at the description below or clicking the card above. It's about taking your ideas and dreams and turning them into a reality. You have in your hands a proven formula to success that will enable you to achieve your potential as a man and really achieve the results you desire and become that alpha male. Guys, please also check out our Supreme Confidence course, and Annabelle and I will help you to overcome the limitations and become that confident man who attracts women instantly. If you simply like our video, please like, share and subscribe. I'm Emre. This is beautiful expert dating coach Annabella Rose, and we'll see you next time.